Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a folder in Quizlet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Quizlet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the plus icon at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap over there and you can see the folder option on this section. You simply need to select the folder option, and now you'll be redirected to another section where it is asking us for our folder title and description, which is optional. So you simply need to give your folder title and finally click on save, which is at the top right corner, and you'll be able to create a folder in Quizlet app successfully. So basically this is how you can create a folder in Quizlet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.